Hi, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little video today and it's to accompany our Etsy listing for this beautiful drum just here. This is a buffalo skin shamanic drum. It's on an 18-inch frame. It's got a beautiful skin head here. Lots of tiny little hair details on there. Photographs will be on the listing for more details on those finer little close-up type details. Excuse me. This is a horse chestnut branch handle. It's rather gorgeous. Love the bark design on the horse chestnut. It's an ashwood frame, as I say, so you've got ash and buffalo written on the inside, or burnt on the inside of the frame there, along with a maker's mark. Also, I put on here, birthed on the 14th of December 2022 in Knighton Parish, UK, and that is to enable you to have a look at the astrological aspects of this drum for the day when it was birthed and the energies that were around the drum. So I'm going to play with two beaters. This is the softer beater. I've got a firmer beater down there. I'm going to swap over about halfway through so you can hear the difference between the two, and either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this drum to be your own. So let's have a little play, the softer beater. Beautiful. Love the soft beaters, love that soft, gentle, muted sound. So this is a firmer beater now. Okay, well, hope this video has helped to make a more informed decision when you come in to choose your shamanic drum. My name's Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.